good morning. So it's another random days with Kylie and Girl 27. So right now we're walking, going to the station because we will be going to
Kawagoy swimming pool.
Yes, the swimming pool to beat the heat. So we're walking and then we're going to enjoy swimming. And of course, we have kasama namin yung mga bata. Kami mag-aalaga pero hanggang ending kami maglalaro. Here's the mother of the beautiful and handsome. Hi, Timmy! Yan. Always na siya gambati. Gamay na siya tulog. Ganiya. Oo. So we're still walking and then we're going to update you later. Okay. Hi there. So video update. Right now we're here at Kawagoy Station near the Kawagoy pool. Yeah, because we're going to the swimming pool and then right now we're still here outside because nagplano si ate magkaimono pero wala pa may alas
Close pa. Kay early
close
pa.
pa. Kaya usually mag-open sila alas 10 and time check mo ko dito.
So ano?
5 minutes?
Yeah.
So yun lang. So update na po naman mo later. Okay, bye-bye. Hi there. So video update. We're right now here at the bus. Going to the pool. Yeah, going to the swimming pool and then it will take how many minutes? Around 20 minutes. And after that, we're going to update you once again. And as you can see, nilabas na niya ang pamalakasan ng shades. Hey! Okay. So that's for the video update. Bye-bye! So welcome back to another video update. So right now we're here in the slide with me, Girl 27. So, ano kami ngayon? Where are we looking? So, right now, nakapila pa kami for the slide. And then after that, we're going to take a video of it. Okay? So,
Parang gusto ko na i-try.
Loko.
Hindi pa ako naka-try dun sa barko.
Okay. Hi there! So, video update. We're right now here at Jumping. So, a while ago, we did go to the slide, but unfortunately, I did take a video, but it takes only 3 seconds, and then it was paused. But it was, not that way. Embarrassing. Because the slide was too fast, and then nagtumbling me down. But it was so good. Anyway.
Nagpapagitaw sa bang.
Mahalas lang sa kailan na to. So anyway, jump we did there. So we're going to update you later. Bye-bye!
Iyo. Wow. Wow. Sana? Hala. Patay. Yay! Yes! Nakuha.
Iyo. Sakit dito ma? Tajabu? Otsukare sama desu. Yatta! Video updates. So right now, nag-retreat si Kylie for the sunscreen because it's too hot, and as you can see, so dito muna kami. And then, a while ago, kabado 20 na mi, kaya nawag ang katong bola, which is mapatyan mi sa mama ni kay. And then luckily we do have a picture of it. And then like, oh, at least namin proof na nakatake yung picture kung naulitan ni Kylie. So yeah, and then we're going to update you later. Okay, bye-bye! Hi there! It's another video update. Just done going to that area where there's a little bit...
some pictures.
Yeah, take some pictures of it. And then right now we're going to Likokun or Hinatakun to play with them, so that we're also going to make more memories with them. We're done with taking pictures. Hopefully the photos are good because the brightness of the phone is not too obvious now.
Yeah.
So sometimes you take pictures like, nakuha ba yun? Wait. Yeah. So hopefully we'll get something good. So anyway, that's for an update for today. Okay, bye again. Hi there. So this is the last update for the Kylie Random Days with Kylie and Curl 27 for the episode of coming here for the swimming pool. Oh, for the swimming pool on the back part is the slide. We weren't able to do the longest slide, but we were able to do the slide, the first slide, the shortest slide. So overall, it was a good experience aside from there are lots of people. And as you can see, lots of people already packing because it's only around 4:30.
4:30 lang matapos.
Yeah, 4:30, and after that, we need to Kairo Junbi Toshimasu. And then overall, it was a good experience. I read the highlights of this is of course having memories together and then playing with Nana. Nana is so sad. But anyway, we will be traveling, going back to Tokyo once again. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the button. And to our future self, so ganito kami. I'm 31 and right now she's 18. So after 10 years from now, you'll be 28.
No, just ikaw.
And oh, never mind. Okay, so bye-bye.
Bye.